The Terrawagen hood protector for the Mercedes-Benz Sprinter models 2014 and newer. Picked this up about a month ago. I've had it on here for about 4 weeks now, and I'm very happy with it. It definitely reduces the bud splatter on the windows. It adds to the aesthetics here for the grille. I do have the black grille on here, so it looks nice. The black surround here, so very pleased with that. But it definitely helps with the bud splatter and some wind noise as well. But it just adds to the nice shape. You can see here the grill trim right here. It just adds up to it, matches up to it, and just looks really great overall. I'm very pleased with it. This was an easy fit to put on. It basically has 3M tape, a strip on the top and a strip on the back. So it went on very easy. What I did to line it up, there's like a center crease right here in the hood. I just put I used a Sharpie marker on there and I put it on both ends. And I just lined it up that way. However, before I put it on, I did do an extensive cleaning on the hood. Open the hood, clean the surrounding of it, the top of it, put a coat of wax in there beforehand just to make sure it was all super clean. And I also did take a hair dryer and heat it up afterwards and just keep putting some pressure on it to make sure it holds. But again, it's been on here for a month, holding up really nicely. No issues with it at all. Like I said, it looks good, helping with bugs, lowering the wind noise, and it just goes with the aesthetics of the grill. So if you're definitely looking for one of these, I got it from Sprinter Source Depot, and they shipped it to me really quick, and I'm very happy with it. Totally recommend picking one up from them. It's a really nice addition to a Sprinter.